All right, back with another question from 12F.3. This time question 6. Find exact solutions to these equations for x between 0 and 2 pi, and we've got sine x equals negative cosine x. Okay, so what we should obviously know is that we could, if we wanted to, use our calculator to solve that, and it'd be pretty easy. But how do we go about it if we've got sine and cosine and we're trying to do it algebraically? Well, the key is to use one little identity that we should remember, which is that the tan of x is equal to the sine of x divided by the cosine of x. And we've done a few proofs of that. If you write tan as opposite over adjacent, sine opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, you'll see it simplifies. So tan of x is sine over cosine. So what I want to do here is I want to divide by cosine x. So my actual equation, if we just skip that little reminder there, would be sine x divided by cosine x would be the tan of x, so tangent x, and cosine divided by cosine, and it was negative cosine, would give me negative 1. Now it's become really easy, hasn't it? When is the tan of x negative 1? Quick little unit circle, not getting any better at those yet. Tangent axis here, negative 1's down there. Ah, that's right. It'll be in those two quadrants. What's the best friend, little buddy, I need for tan equaling 1? Well, it's the 1 root 2. So that obviously gives us a quarter of pi, because we've got pi over 2 there and a quarter of pi there. So that gives us our pi radians, 180 degrees in a triangle. Yeah, triangle. Good one, Chewy. So we've got it there. When is it negative 1? Well, when it's pi over 4 away from each one. So we sort that out, and I've lost my... Okay, there it is. So if that's pi over 4 away from the axis, so that's pi over 4 away from pi, then x must equal either 3/4 of pi, because it was a quarter of pi away from pi, or it's pi over 4 away from 2 pi, so 2 pi take pi over 4, 7 pi over 4. So that was actually not too bad. Hopefully that makes sense. When you do the sine of 3x and cosine 3x, remember to change your domain. I showed it in the last video. I don't want to give it away. I want you to have a go first, but just have a think about that before you try it. You should find you're getting more answers. We'll see how you go. Good luck, guys. See ya.